In this Mosaic tips and tricks video, I'm going to show you how to move your cabinet labels both in the floor plan and the elevation and save them in those positions for later use. Now we're in the actual floor plan view. I'm going to right click on the actual cabinet label, scroll down to where it says label, and then select move label. I'm not touching my left or right click button on my mouse, but now I can move that label around and position it where I would like it to be. I'm going to position that pretty much right there in the actual center of the cabinet. Now, if I can go to the elevation view here, and you can see I have the label above the cabinet, I can right click on it, select label, move that label, and then I can move it into a position that I would like to have it stored in. Now this is done on a per job basis, or you can save these cabinets back to your library. You can always right click on a label that has been moved, go down to label, and then reset your labels to default. But if I double click on this cabinet, you can save this now to your library and update your product, or you can add a new product. I'm going to add one that's called label cabinet so you can see how this is going to work. I'm going to select OK. Now I'm going to delete this particular cabinet. I'm going to scroll down to the new cabinet I set up and drag and drop it into place. And you can see my label maintains that specific position on the cabinet as well as it does on the actual floor plan. So as you're creating your cabinets, if you want those labels in a specific area, just modify the label position and then save the cabinet back to your library.